I got you.
Production Garage. Guys, if you aren't subscribed to NC Production Garage, get into 100K right freaking now.
What's up? Is that a strawberry cake pop?
Yo, you move?
Carbs. Success. This track looks sick, guys. We just got the Subaru pulled up, got Mustang, we got the Can-Am we brought out to rip on the track. Let's see where Jake's at. I don't see him anywhere. 40 people out here. This is crazy. We just came with a bunch of cameras. Let's go scope out this track. Probably gonna throw on the helmet and maybe even just go look at the track just to see what it looks like. And yeah, guys, I'll pick you up there. From the looks of it so far, everybody has a pretty big bike. What is, someone's got a supermoto out here? What the heck? Bro! This is legit.
What you think?
Dude.
Did I bring it to a good one or what?
Oh, for sure. This thing's nasty. Let me go look at these jumps right here. They're not bad at all. Oh, for sure. Oh my God, this track's actually really pretty. Groomed and everything too. See how more send it? Oh, ho, ho, coming in hot. Heck yeah. Ho, ho, ho. Dude, this track's gnarly. Let's look at this guy. Oh my God, that was sketchy, bro. Oh my God, this is wild. This is sick. Oh, this is sick. Heck yeah. This track is wild, bro. Let's put on the helmet and let's get to ripping, dude. This is sick. Chase, you're about to be in heaven, bro.
Yeah?
There's probably one I won't hit. I don't know. I'll probably hit it.
I'm about to be in heaven?
You're about to be in heaven, bro. I don't know how much footage I lost with the mic being unplugged and everything, but dude, this track is sick. Probably the best one I've been to. I was just talking about a lot of things about how well the track is and how groomed it is. They had it groomed last night for us, waters it down. Like, they do it every Monday, so that'd be sick to come out here, do like some Pit Bike Monday events, and yeah, because if y'all would like to see a series on that, let me know in the comments and get back to ripping. All right, guys, well, the GoPro messed up, and now we're back out here riding, but this jump's pretty cool right here. Oh, case the f out of that. Jeez, need a little bit more speed on that one, that's for sure. This one's also a very long jump right here into a tight corner. But yeah, this track is sick. I'm really digging it. I wish Chase would rip with me, but he hates me. I'm so slow out here, dude. Man, I'm so bad. Don't everybody look at me, jeez. I don't like that jump. You get some serious air, I feel like, on that one over there. Poppy. Yeah, it's very, very poppy. Oh my God, Chase. Chase is so good on this thing. He just freaking front wheel rode that one. That's crazy, man. Y'all are so good. Oh God almighty. They have a rut laid down and everything. Woo! This is so much fun. Oh shit. Get savage, bro. There's Chase. You're in the air for so long right there. It's crazy to me. I love this. I love these two doubles right here. Oh, they're getting juicy with the. Oh, that's fun. That's so much fun. I was talking a bunch earlier, and let me explain why this video might be a little shorter than usual. I was talking a lot earlier, and the freaking GoPro didn't get plugged in all the way or something. Like, it was really stupid. Dude, I love the little doubles, bro. You gonna get your camera out, or you wanna get me? I mean, you can have mine. You're good. All right, Brittany's gonna try to get me a picture. Oh, let's go rip it, baby. That dude's fast, man. Oh shit. I got it out in front of the wrong guy. That guy's freaking fast. What is he on, an Apollo? Oh, it's getting dusty, freaking busty in here. This kid just dusted me out. Oh my god, this dude's fast. Hello, Jakey. What's up, buddy? Do some wheelies? Haven't done any wheelies today. That's a fun thing to do. Ah, I can't even do wheelies right now. Ooh. Oh, this is so much fun. I love it. Oh, I'm getting those corners now. I just need to come out here and practice. I never grew up riding dirt bikes or nothing, so I don't really know what I'm doing. Woo! Came in on the outside of that one. Get it, man. Heck yeah. Oh, getting steezy on it. Dude, you're killing it. I feel like I'm gonna come just... I don't know. Hey, Brittany. Woo! Let's go, baby. Oh my god. No way. Did you get a good shot?
Picture.
Picture? No shot! Oh my god. That one.
That one on the left or the right, or it's like peeking, it's just as easy as this one.
You think so?
Yeah.
Holy bro.
That's fire.
The sun looks sick. These kids, dude, that hole right there kills you. See, like, I feel like I'm coming in too fast for this landing. That's so much fun. Hey Chase, can you stand where the hose is and try to get that last double right there? Perfect. You the man. Come on, Jake. Yes, sir. Nice. That's so much fun. Let's go, baby. Let's freaking go. This is so freaking great. I love this track. What is he doing? Do what?
You got this all day.
You
Don't
think?
hit it down there on the flat. Hit it to that side. All
What?
you have to do is come out of the corner. It's pretty much once you get out of it, just second.
I just don't want to get in the. I just don't want to land and be shooting off into the next realm. I guess if I case it, it's not that bad.
Huh?
I guess if I case it, it's not that bad. All right.
I want you to get 100K.
I really want 100K. Guys, if you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing, because that would mean the world to me. Chase wants me to hit this freaking jump. I don't know about it. I'd probably get that.
Hey, don't hit it in the center.
Oh, okay. See how this goes. Oh, that hurt. That felt good. That hurt.
Try this. Try this way.
Whoo, that hurts your feet, man. What did I do wrong? I was pinned.
No, just hit it more on the lip.
I thought I did. All right, let's try this again. That was probably worst case scenario, so not bad. Let's try this big jump, baby. Woo! Let's go, baby, let's go! Nice, bro. You sailed that thing. Holy crap. Dude, that was sick. Oh my gosh. That's crazy, bro. Hey, Jake, I hit that other one. I hit it. It's pretty fun.
Ain't bad, right?
No. Let's go, baby. Coming through. Oh, that's funny. Dude, let's go. Alright, I'm gonna need professional lessons from you, okay? No, like in the future, like I'm just gonna take pit bike lessons from you because you're like here and I'm like here. Dude, that is so much fun. Whew! I'm like out of breath from all the adrenaline right now. That dude's good. The pit boy bike boys is good. You wanna go get a water? Okay. Did you see me hit this one? The big one? Did you see me hit that one? Yeah. Will you take a Polaroid picture of me on hitting it? Okay. That's so much fun. That was sick. That is so much fun. That is so much fun. Did you get it? Heck yeah. That's so much air.
Okay, I walked in looking like a old down list. So much money on me, so you put the whole my shit. Ice on me cold, got me frozen down. They love to hate, but they don't know where we put in. Okay, I pull up. Don't know why they think they know us. Used to hate, now they say that boy kept on blow. Money ain't gon' change us. I was better lame, and I'm still with the game. Every time I walk through, I got game behind me. And I don't let it talk, boo. You know where to find me. And if he like the top roof, I'ma get him knocked down. I'm tryna call me a glizzy and I get hot down. Fuck the time, let's do it. Bitch, on the shit, they know it. I need my funds, came from the mud. I love my brothers, I treat them right back. Don't get it twisted, I came for the race. Falling in love when I'm breaking them back. Shawty so bad, but I can't get attached. They don't know, but I told her relax. Yeah, in my bag. Bitch, I pull up faded. She think that I'm famous. Turned up all the time, this what we say when we made it. Okay, I walked in looking like a old damn list. So much money on me, told you bitch to hold my shit. Ice on me cold, got me frozen than a bitch. They love to hate, but they don't know how much work we put in.
Oh man, that is so much fun, dude. Having an absolute blast out here. I can't believe I finally talked me up to send that one. Like, definitely deserves the service after this. Jeez. Dude, I appreciate you letting us come out, man.
No problem, man. Like
Heck yeah.
We ride out here every Monday.
Heck yeah. I'll definitely be back. I finally got that second double over there, and I was hyped about it. Hello, boys. I borrowed 2 more waters, if that's okay. That was fun, bro. I'm so glad you got a pit bike, dude.
So am I.
Dude, you are natural on a pit bike. You gotta wash them off and let them dry for a few days. But guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video. I'm gonna load up after I go take some pictures of these boys real quick for having us out. It was so much fun. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Always love making pit bike videos. These are my literal favorite vlogs to make because it is so fun. Me hitting that double was so insane. I can't believe I freaking got that because that just blew in my mouth. Thank you for joining Miller's Pit Bike channel. If you haven't already, subscribe, right Chase? We need 100K. Yes. And then I will give away, I don't know, a 70 or something. I don't know, 100K. And I hope you guys have enjoyed. But I will see you next week or on Thursday. I don't know when the heck this video is getting posted. So stay tuned, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, leave a comment that I'm a simp in the comment section. And I will see you guys later. Have a good one, boys.